Hey everyone, today I'm working on a basic galaxy generation in GoDot. No voice recording this time, just me working on the game and now doing some voiceover. And this one is the first time I'm creating a video like this, so bear in mind, it's my first try. Before I jump into coding, I started making some notes, just gathering ideas. What should a galaxy look like? How do I want to generate it and stuff like this, and like doing some notes and find out some, or got some pictures, you know. Now it's time to start coding. I created a script called Galaxy Generator. The plan? I'm generating a simple galaxy by creating a list of stars, using values for creating different arms or the amount of arms, calculating the thickness of a spiral or an arm, and adding some twists to the arm and like distribution. And also having a value for like density of the stars when it's going closer to the middle or closer to the galaxy center. First I thought, okay, every star I should put into a specific branch. So the stars are distributed through every branch. I'm just taking the modulo of the current index I and see where to put it into the branches. First I created the base angle, so depending on the branch and depending on the spiral arm or the amount of spiral arms, I multiplied by tau, meaning 2 times pi, to find out where this star's base angle is, or where it belongs to. Then I calculated the radial distance depending on the density. So depending on a random value and the density and the galaxy radius, how close should be the star to the center of the galaxy. Next I would calculate the twist, a random offset and the angle depending on the center of the star. For the twist I would use the radial distance from the center of the star times the arm twist amount, so how much the arm is twisted. The random offset is just a random floating number and minus an arbitrage amount of 0.5 times the arm width. So how much is the offset of the center of the spiral to the right or to the left. And at the end I would calculate the resulting angle. The base angle plus the twist and plus the random offset would create the final position in the twisted arm. Finally, we are converting polar coordinates to Cartesian coordinates, so we can figure out the position of the star in a 2D plane. Next I would create a node that can hold all my stars, and I would append the stars to this container. But halfway through I changed my mind. I decided to move everything into a new script called Galaxy. It just makes more sense. So when I'm spawning a galaxy as a node, it runs the creation process directly. So in the end I can implement the galaxy in the starting process of the game, and it should auto-generate everything. We also want the user to see the stars, so I'm just creating a simple scene that holds the sprites to display the star. And this scene I can use to instantiate all the stars in our star container. As always, the first things are not working, and GoDot is randomly deleting my scripts again and saving some other scripts, or the state that is still in the memory. Nice, but I take some step back and create a galaxy scene again to put everything together. Problem was that I couldn't see the stars in the game, or like life changing. So my solution was I turned the script into GoDot tool so it runs directly in the editor, almost crashing my computer in the process. Fun times. So I'm turning the galaxy into a tool script and setting all the setters for all the properties. So when it changes the property, it runs the generation of the galaxy again. Of course, I missed some things. Not only the stars should be cleared and then run again, it also I forgot to append all the new stars, but in the future I will fix that. I still had some problems that the stars wouldn't append correctly and wouldn't run the correct function, of course. So I would need to get rid of the stars that are already there and then recreate all the stars at every run or every time the value changed. Of course, it didn't work at the beginning, because you can see that there are more and more stars adding to, because I forgot to clear the list of all the stars. after finally having some results, I figured out that I need to change the values in the script. So the values that I'm inputting into the arms and the twistment and the density and stuff are having a more satisfying result at the end. It was nice to see that it's working in the arms, or like the arm generation work, and also the amount of stars and the density, everything went into the middle of the galaxy. Super fun to play around. Now basically in the end everything worked out, and I played around with the generation of the stars, and was happy with the result. It would work out, and now we could create the level and the galaxy, or create a process or a scene where the user would be able to create their own galaxy.
Thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. If you want to see more, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. Until next time, keep your eyes open and reflexes sharp. You never know what might happen in the dark future.